Have you ever wondered how much the television contributes to your electricity bill? Have you ever wondered how much time you could save if breakfast started preparing itself before you're awake? And have you ever wondered if you could fully access and take control of all of your home appliances, how much better life can be? In fact, there are already many different devices and appliances that allow you to automate your home. But with so many possibilities and options, controlling your home isn't actually simple. Until now. Meet Yeti, a mobile app that finds and connects all your smart home appliances regardless of their brand or type and allows you to control them all in a simple way from only one app.
With Yeti, it's super easy to organize your devices and access them, to turn them on or off, to tell them what to do in any given situation, or even to know which appliances are on even when you're outside your home. You can create rules to tell one or many devices what to do so that they adapt to your lifestyle and habits. Imagine waking up to cozy and acoustic music in the morning. A hot shower is already heating up for you. The coffee machine is preparing your double espresso, and the toast would be ready to serve at about the same time. You will still have plenty of time to enjoy your breakfast with the news. That's the way you should start your morning. Every morning. No hassles, no rush. With Yeti, you can even create shortcuts for telling your devices what to do for those special moments.
Instead of having to use many different smartphone apps for each device that you have at home, Yeti provides you with a unique and intuitive way of controlling everything that happens at your home, giving you full control over it. Because Yeti can talk to any smart home appliance, he allows to tell them how do you want them to behave on their own or working together with other appliances, and he gets in charge of coordinating everything automatically without having to worry you about anything.
Since we launched Yeti in January 2017, the number of people using Yeti has grown incredibly. Today, we connect over 40,000 smart home devices. We've been able to get here thanks to our great and scalable technology, inspired by the tools and techniques of the world's top technology companies.
The number of homes that Yeti has reached keeps growing, and with our current growth rate, we'll soon become the leading smart home app. We've managed to position ourselves in major markets such as USA, United Kingdom, and other European countries. We have also secured partnerships with the market's leading brands like Philips Hue, Nest, and Gillette, which increases your growth potential. At this rate, Yeti will not only be known as the app to control your smart home, but also as one of the top smart home brands.
A keystone for our success is our user community. We can count on a thriving community of users to find and test new ways of improving Yeti. We iterate quickly. Thanks to our algorithms and innovative use of technology, we can deploy support for smart home devices in a couple of weeks. Our services are heavily decentralized, which allows us to scale a great number of homes in record time.
Ich bin Paul Blaschek. NetBeast vereint für mich die Erfolgsfaktoren der Startup-Welt. Ein entschlossenes und harmonisierendes Team, eine herausragende technologische Lösung und ein feines Gespür für das richtige Timing. Der Smart Home Trend nimmt so langsam richtig Fahrt auf und NetBeast startet aus der ersten Reihe, um zu einer globalen Erfolgsgeschichte zu werden.
NetBeast is one of the best tech startups at the moment, and we're very proud of having them in our portfolio from Viva Germany.
Potenzial. Oft sind die einfachen Ideen, die unglaublichen Erfolg haben, und allein das Potenzial sieht man schon daran, dass sie jetzt dabei sind, Amazon zu integrieren. Sie integrieren IKEA Smart Home Devices, und deswegen bin ich überzeugt, dass es eine unglaubliche Erfolgsgeschichte wird, und daher don't miss it.
Our next steps involves adding support for as many smart home brands as possible and creating new ways to interact with them. Combining Force with Alexa and Google Assistant, or adding support for smart TVs to control the rest of the home.
We're growing and we need your help to achieve our next big milestone. In 2018, we plan to increase the number of brands supported by Yeti up to 20. Once we achieve that, we will launch a premium version of Yeti that includes previously tested monetization models. With your help and our best effort, we will achieve all our future goals. We won't stop until Yeti makes home automation easy and accessible for everyone. Join us, help us build the home of the future.